Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of superfoods. Superfoods are just regular foods with superpowers. They're packed with nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants that can seriously level up your health game. Think of it this way. You've got your everyday foods, doing their best to keep you going. Then you've got superfoods, bringing the A game with extra benefits like boosting your immune system and giving you more energy. Let's get started. First up, we've got blueberries. Those little blue dynamos you can snack on by the handful. But don't let their size fool you. These guys are bursting with antioxidants. We're talking about compounds that fight off those nasty free radicals in your body, which can damage cells and lead to all sorts of health issues. Studies have shown that they can actually improve cognitive function and even delay age-related decline. Plus, these little guys are packed with fiber, which is great for digestion and keeping you regular. So next time you're at the grocery store, toss a few cartons of blueberries in your cart. Your brain and your gut will thank you. Next up, we've got kale, the leafy green that's been getting a lot of buzz lately. This nutritional powerhouse is like a multivitamin you can eat. It's loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and calcium. But here's where kale really shines. Fiber. Fiber is crucial for a healthy gut, helping to keep things moving along smoothly and preventing constipation. Plus, kale's high fiber content can help you feel fuller for longer, which can be a huge help if you're trying to manage your weight. So ditch the iceberg lettuce and try some kale in your next salad or smoothie. Let's talk about quinoa, an ancient grain that's been around for centuries but has recently become a modern-day superfood star. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need but can't produce on their own. It's also a good source of fiber, iron, and magnesium, which are all essential for maintaining good health. And the best part, quinoa is incredibly versatile. You can use it in place of rice or couscous in countless recipes, add it to soups and stews for extra protein and texture, or even enjoy it for breakfast as a porridge. Now let's dive into the world of omega-3 fatty acids with salmon, a delicious and incredibly healthy fish that deserves a spot on your plate at least once a week. Omega-3s are essential fats that our bodies need for a whole host of functions, from brain health to heart health. We're talking about reducing inflammation, lowering blood pressure, and even improving cholesterol levels, all crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. So, next time you're looking for a healthy and satisfying meal, grill up some salmon with your favorite veggies and enjoy the benefits. Last but not least, we have chia seeds, those tiny nutritional powerhouses that pack a serious punch. Just a single ounce provides a whopping 11 grams of fiber, which is almost half of the recommended daily intake. This incredible fiber content makes chia seeds a fantastic food for digestive health. They help keep things moving smoothly, prevent constipation, and even promote a healthy gut microbiome. Plus, the fiber in chia seeds can help you feel fuller for longer, which can be helpful if you're trying to manage your weight. And let's not forget about those omega-3s. Just like salmon, chia seeds are a great plant-based source of these essential fats, providing all the heart-healthy benefits we discussed earlier. So there you have it, 5 amazing superfoods that can easily be incorporated into your diet to boost your health and well-being. Remember, it's not about overhauling your entire eating plan overnight. Start small. Try adding 1 or 2 of these superfoods into your meals each day and see how you feel. Experiment with different recipes, find what you enjoy, and make it sustainable for your lifestyle. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and nutrition advice. See you next time.